Hello everyone! Welcome back to Chef Delight's Kitchen, where we turn culinary nightmares into delicious dreams. Today, I'm going to share some incredible kitchen hacks that will make your cooking much easier. Listen up, you won't believe how much time you've been wasting. These simple tricks will change the way you cook forever. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen game. Let's face it, sometimes you crave banana bread, but those bananas are just not ripe yet. You end up with green, hard, and absolutely unappetizing bananas. Well, no more. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Put those bananas in a brown paper bag with an apple. Seal that bag up tight, and what happens next is pure magic. The apple releases ethylene gas, which bananas love. In just a day or two, your bananas will be soft, sweet, and ready for that delicious banana bread. You can thank me later. Ethylene is a natural plant hormone that regulates ripening. When you trap the ethylene gas inside the bag, it speeds up the ripening process. It's like giving your bananas a turbo boost to ripeness. And the best part, it's completely natural, no need for artificial ripening agents. But don't use this trick on overripe bananas. Once those bananas are brown and spotty, there's no turning back. You'll just end up with a mushy mess. So, the next time you're in a pinch and need ripe bananas fast, remember this hack. It's a game changer, I promise you that. Boiling eggs, it seems simple enough, right? But peeling them? That's where things can get messy. You end up with chunks of egg whites stuck to the shell, and it's just a frustrating experience. But fear not, my culinary comrades, because I have a solution that will change your egg boiling game forever. Are you ready for this? It's baking soda. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the boiling water before you gently lower your eggs in. The baking soda raises the pH level of the water, which helps to break down the proteins in the egg white. This creates a barrier between the egg white and the membrane of the shell, making it much easier to peel. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, give them an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Then peel those shells off with ease and marvel at your perfectly smooth, beautiful boiled eggs. No more mangled egg whites, no more frustration, just pure excellent results. And the best part is, baking soda is a pantry staple, so you probably already have some on hand. So, the next time you're boiling eggs, remember this simple but effective hack. Onions, the base of countless delicious dishes. But oh, the tears. Chopping onions can feel like a torture test. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to share a hack that will change the way you chop onions forever. No more stinging eyes, no more tears streaming down your face, just pure onion chopping bliss. The secret? It's all about temperature. Before you even think about chopping those onions, toss them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Freezing the onions for a short period will firm them up, making them easier to chop. But more importantly, it slows down the release of those pesky irritants that make your eyes water. Once the 15 minutes are up, take those onions out of the freezer and start chopping. You'll notice a significant difference. You can chop away without feeling like you're in a tear gas chamber. Your eyes will thank you, and your cooking will be all the better for it. If you want to take your onion chopping game to the next level, invest in a good quality, sharp chef's knife. It will make the process so much easier and more enjoyable. And remember, always use a cutting board to protect your countertops and fingers. Herbs, those little leaves pack a flavorful punch. But chopping them, that can be a tedious task. Picking off tiny leaves, trying to get them all uniform, it's enough to make any chef lose their patience. But fret no more, my fellow food enthusiasts. I'm about to reveal a hack that will have you chopping herbs like a pro in seconds. Get ready to meet your new best friend in the kitchen, the pizza cutter. Yes, you heard that right. That humble tool isn't just for slicing pizzas anymore. It's also a secret weapon for chopping herbs with lightning speed. Simply gather up your herbs into a neat pile on your cutting board. Then, grab your trusty pizza cutter and roll it back and forth over the herbs. The sharp wheel will make quick work of those leaves, leaving you with perfectly chopped herbs in seconds. No more tedious mincing, no more uneven pieces, just perfectly chopped herbs, ready to elevate your dishes. Microwave rice can be a lifesaver. But let's be honest, it doesn't always turn out as fluffy and delicious as we'd like. Sometimes it's mushy, sometimes it's dry, and it's always a gamble. But fear not, my hungry friends, because I'm about to share a foolproof method for perfect microwave rice every single time. Ready for this? It's all about the power of water. Before you nuke that rice, add half a cup of water on top. Don't stir it in, just let it sit there on top of the rice. Then pop it in the microwave and cook it according to the package directions. That little bit of extra water on top creates steam as the rice cooks, which helps to evenly cook the rice and prevent it from drying out. The result? Perfectly fluffy, delicious rice every time. We've all been there. You reach for a loaf of bread, only to discover it's gone stale. Hard, dry, and about as appealing as a cardboard box. But don't toss it out just yet, because I'm about to share a magical trick that can revive even the stalest of bread. Grab your stale bread and run it under cold water for a few seconds. Don't soak it, just give it a quick rinse. Then, wrap that damp bread in aluminum foil and pop it in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10-15 minutes. As the bread heats up, the moisture trapped inside the foil will work its magic, softening the bread and bringing it back to life. The result? A loaf of bread that's warm, soft, and ready to be enjoyed. No more wasting stale bread, no more settling for dry and crumbly sandwiches, just pure bread-reviving magic. Buttermilk, that tangy, creamy ingredient that adds a touch of magic to so many recipes. But what happens when you're in the middle of baking and realize you're fresh out of buttermilk? Do you run to the store? Do you abandon your baking plans altogether? No, you don't have to do either of those things because I'm about to share a game-changing hack that will allow you to make your own buttermilk in minutes using just 2 simple ingredients. All you need is milk and either vinegar or lemon juice. Simply add a tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice to a cup of milk. Stir it together and let it sit for about 10 minutes. And just like that, you've got yourself homemade buttermilk. The acidity of the vinegar or lemon juice will curdle the milk slightly, giving it that signature tangy flavor and thick texture that makes buttermilk so special. And the best part is, this homemade version works just as well as store-bought buttermilk in all your favorite recipes. Picture this. It's a hot summer day and you're craving a refreshing glass of chilled white wine. But there's a problem. Your wine is at room temperature and you don't have time to wait for it to chill in the fridge. What do? Do you resort to drinking lukewarm wine? Absolutely not, because I'm about to let you in on a brilliant hack that will chill your wine in minutes without diluting it. The secret weapon? Frozen grapes. Yes, you heard that right. Those little balls of juicy goodness are not just for snacking, they're also the key to perfectly chilled wine in a flash. Simply wash and freeze a bunch of grapes. Once they're nice and frozen, pop a few into your glass of wine. The frozen grapes will cool down your wine quickly and efficiently without diluting the flavor. No more watery wine, no more waiting for hours for your wine to chill, just pure, chilled wine perfection in minutes. Blenders, they're a kitchen essential, but cleaning them? That's a different story altogether. Those sharp blades and tight spaces can make cleaning a blender a real chore. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to share a hack that will make cleaning your blender a breeze. Fill your blender halfway with warm water. Add a drop of dish soap. Now put that lid on tight and blend away for about 30 seconds. The soapy water will swirl around, reaching every nook and cranny and removing any stuck-on food particles. Once you're done blending, rinse your blender thoroughly with water, and just like that, your blender is sparkling clean. No more scrubbing, no more struggling to reach those tricky spots, just pure blender cleaning bliss. Garlic, that pungent little bulb that adds a depth of flavor to countless dishes. But peeling garlic? That's a task that can test the patience of even the most seasoned chef. Those papery skins seem to cling on for dear life, and it's enough to make you want to give up and order takeout. But fret no more, my fellow garlic lovers, because I'm about to reveal a hack that will have you peeling garlic like a pro in seconds. Grab a hard container with a lid. Now peel those garlic cloves and toss them into the container. Seal that lid on tight and get ready to shake. Shake that container like you mean it for about 30 seconds. Now open the container and prepare to be amazed. The vigorous shaking will have loosened those pesky garlic skins, leaving you with perfectly peeled garlic cloves ready to be minced, crushed, or roasted. No more sticky fingers, no more struggling with those tiny cloves, just pure garlic peeling magic. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible kitchen hacks that are guaranteed to make your life easier and your cooking even more enjoyable. Give these hacks a try and see how they transform your cooking. Remember, the kitchen should be a place of joy, creativity, and delicious discoveries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers so they too can unlock the secrets to a stress-free kitchen. Happy cooking!